As a project manager, you understand the critical role of accurate financial tracking in ensuring project success. Zoho Books emerges as a powerful ally in this endeavor, offering a centralized platform for managing invoices, expenses, payments, and overall financial health. But before you can leverage its capabilities, the first crucial step is logging in. This video, designed with clarity and simplicity in mind, will walk you through the process of accessing your Zoho Books account, ensuring a smooth entry into your project's financial command center. Think of Zoho Books as your project's financial blueprint. Just as you need to access your project management software to track tasks and timelines, logging into Zoho Books grants you access to the financial pulse of your projects. This article will serve as your initial orientation, providing a step-by-step approach to accessing your account, regardless of your technical proficiency. Understanding the gateway, different ways to access Zoho Books. Zoho Books offers multiple avenues for you to log in, catering to various user preferences and scenarios. Let's explore the primary methods. 1. The direct website login. This is the most common and straightforward method. You simply navigate directly to the Zoho Books website. Step 1. Open your web browser. Launch your preferred web browser, e.g., Chrome, Firefox, Safari, Edge. Step 2. Navigate to the Zoho Books website. In the address bar, type in the official Zoho Books website address: https://www.zoho.com/books/. Press Enter. Step 3. Locate the Sign In or Login button. Once the Zoho Books homepage loads, look for a button typically labeled Sign In or Login. This is usually located in the top right corner of the page. Click on it. Step 4. Enter your credentials. You will be redirected to the Zoho account's login page. Here, you will need to enter the email address or mobile number associated with your Zoho account in the designated field. Step 5. Enter your password. In the next field, carefully type in the password you created for your Zoho account. Remember that passwords are case-sensitive, so ensure you're using the correct capitalization. Step 6. Click Sign In or Login. Once you've entered your email/mobile number and password, click the Sign In or Login button to proceed. If your credentials are correct, you will be successfully logged into your Zoho Books account, and you'll be directed to your organization's dashboard. 2. Accessing through the Zoho Suite. If your organization utilizes other Zoho applications like Zoho CRM, Zoho Projects, etc., you can often access Zoho Books seamlessly through the Zoho Suite. Step 1. Log into your Zoho account. Access any of your other Zoho applications using your usual login credentials. Step 2. Navigate to the Zoho Applications menu. Within the logged-in Zoho application, look for a grid-like icon, often referred to as the waffle or app launcher, usually located in the top left corner of the screen. Click on this icon. Step 3. Select Zoho Books. A drop-down menu or a panel will appear, displaying a list of available Zoho applications. Locate Zoho Books in the list and click on it.